In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have the LinkedIn Helped Me Get This Job badge. Let's dive right in, shall we? The first step you need to take is heading over to LinkedIn's website. Simply type LinkedIn.com into your browser and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll come across options to sign in. You can choose to use your Google or Microsoft account, or alternatively, you can go the traditional route and sign in with your email address and password. For those of you with two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to complete an additional security step. LinkedIn will send a verification code to your phone, which you'll need to enter to successfully log in. Once you're in, let's proceed to the addition of the badge. Now, navigate to your profile page. You'll want to scroll down to the Experience section. Here, we are about to add a new position. So click on the option to add a role. As you start entering details about your new job, like the title, the company name, and your dates of employment, be on the lookout for prompts from LinkedIn. During this process, LinkedIn provides a subtle opportunity to indicate whether you secured your job through its platform. This comes in the form of a checkbox that asks if LinkedIn helped you get this job. It might be easy to overlook, so pay close attention to those prompts. If you feel LinkedIn was instrumental in landing your role, make sure you check this box. This crucial action will enable the LinkedIn Help Me Get This Job badge on your profile. Once you've diligently filled in all the required information for your new position and ensured the badge checkbox is selected, go ahead and save your profile. That's it. The new badge should now be prominently visible under your current role, making it easy for anyone who views your LinkedIn profile to see the impact LinkedIn has had on your career. Here's a little heads up. The badge will be exclusive to the role you linked to LinkedIn's assistance. If you later add a position that wasn't obtained with LinkedIn's help, the badge won't be displayed for that particular role. And there you have it. You've successfully added the LinkedIn Helped Me Get This Job badge to your profile. This small but significant addition not only enhances your profile's attractiveness, but also narrates the pivotal role LinkedIn played in your professional journey. So whether you're updating your profile to showcase a recent job transition or sharing your story of success, this badge is a great way to highlight LinkedIn's contribution to your career path.